Would you buy a 3-story townhome in San Marcos for $692K? Well, let's go ahead and check it out. Do a little bit of barbecue out here. This little area right here. If you got kids, maybe like little dogs and stuff like that. Nice little area. Let's check out this barbecue area really quick. And this is gonna be the amenity level here. It's $310 a month for the HOA. Over here at the Cielo community, Meritage Homes, San Marcos. Okay. And that's gonna give you, basically, it's just gonna cover all the common ground. It's not gonna be a gated community or anything like that, but it's no pool or anything like that, but you've got these little pocket park areas. But the HOA here is at $310 a month. And then you've got your total tax rate at 1.6%. These homes start from $1,215 to $1,781, but today I'm going to be showing you the Residence 3, which is the very largest one at 1,781 square feet. You can see this is the Residence 3. By the way, all of these do come with an outdoor balcony. So that's kind of nice. They're all 3-story, but you know, again, they all do come with an outdoor balcony. And this particular one, this Residence 3, actually has a little kind of like a patio cover in the entryway here. So it's kind of nice. So you can put your little chairs and, you know, maybe have a little bit of coffee out in the morning. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look inside and see what it's all about. This is gonna be their largest floor plan. And this is the one where it's the only floor plan that actually has a bedroom on the downstairs. So if you've got, you know, that person that does not either like to climb the stairs or cannot climb the stairs, it's real convenient to be able to have a bedroom on the downstairs. And the other thing is you've got this full bathroom on the downstairs here, right next to this bedroom here, to be able to service it fully. And then I came in through the front door, but normally as you're coming through the home, whoops, well, that would be the garage. And these will all have a 2-car garage, okay? This particular home is gonna have a side-by-side 2-car garage. We're gonna go ahead and check it out upstairs. One thing is that we've got a really nice open floor plan here. Big kitchen. Big island. Look how long this island is. That's a good, I'd say 8-foot island. You can comfortably sit 4 people up there, and that's spaced out really nicely. Of course, you got your farm sink here. It's a nice little touch that they give you. And this is also a pull spray faucet. So it's nice that Meritage Homes here gives you a pull spray faucet. This particular builder is a spec builder. So in my previous video, I was talking about spec versus build to order, right? So these are gonna be one of your spec builders. So what does spec mean? Once again, spec means that all of these homes are already gonna come pretty much pre-done by the builder. All of the flooring, the countertops, the backsplash, your cabinets, the hardware, all of that is already gonna be done. You wouldn't be selecting any of that here with this particular builder. The only thing that you would be bringing in is your furniture. Let's go ahead and take a look outside of this patio here. This is real nice. Out here in the city of San Marcos, it is beautiful. San Marcos stepping up. Right, look at this. Let's open. Go check out the family room area. It's a good amount of space, really. This builder also includes the blinds. So the blinds will be included. If you're getting one of these quick move-in homes, the refrigerator, the washer, the dryer will be included. This is going to be a coat closet here. Yep, coat closet. Over here you've got your half bath for your guests. So your second story is kind of where you do all of your entertaining and all of your living, so to speak, right? And then you'll retire to your bedrooms on the upstairs, unless you're that one person that's going to be on the downstairs. Up here you've got your laundry room, washer dryer that's going to be included with your quick move-in home. You even have a little homework study station. How cool is that? It says you can't have an office in a little home here. Because if you like this kind of content, I do this kind of content every week. So I feature new home communities in Southern California, typically in the Inland Empire, but pretty much all over Southern California. Any type of incentives, new deals, just where all the new stuff is at. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification, comment below so I can continue to bring this great information. It's going to be your secondary bedroom here. Cool thing about this is it is uncommon that you'll get your own full bathroom inside, especially not a 3-story townhome. That's a secondary bedroom. That's cool. Let's go check out the primary. This is pretty. This is nice, guys. These are 9-foot ceilings. Just shows you what you can do. And we're on the 3rd story too, so of course that's going to give you the nicest view. Check out the primary restroom area here. Very nice. You've got your stand-up shower with the dual shaving seats there. Okay. And not only that, but you've got your dual sinks. Makes it real convenient, the his and her sinks. And then, check out the closet space here. Not bad at all. Up there, you've got this spray foam insulation. That is one thing that this builder does that I don't know if any other builder does, but they do that on every exterior wall and the entire attic, plugging all of your air gaps, which is very uncommon. All right, well, that's gonna wrap it up, guys. What'd you guys think about this home? Would you pay $692 for a 3-story townhome in San Marcos? If you guys are looking for a real estate agent, let me turn this back. If you guys are looking for a real estate agent to, well, pretty much just, represent you guys, who has over 22 years of experience in new home sales and understands this process, check out the information on the screen. Don't be shy, DM me, let me know, let's set up an appointment. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video.